Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having an issue with the Windows Media Player that has the wrong album information leak. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay search mo lang dito yung registry editor, and then next ay ka na mo lang mag right click, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. Okay, so before you proceed in the registry editor, I would highly suggest you to create a backup file. So if anything go wrong, you could easily restore back in order to create a backup file. And then dito lang sa taas ay click mo lang itong file, and then select mo lang dito yung export. And then dito sa export registry file ay select mo lang dito kung saan mo save yung file. And then ka na mo lang mag-create ng file name, and then click mo lang itong save. Okay? So if you ever needed to import back in from that backup, all you need to do is same procedure, click mo lang itong file, and then select mo lang dito yung import, and then select mo lang kung saan folder mo siya sinave. Alright? So proceed na tayo. And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung HKey current user. So click mo lang itong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung software. And then dito sa software, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Microsoft. So click mo lang siya. And then dito sa Microsoft, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Media Player. Okay, so ito siya. So dito sa Media Player, click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand ulit. And then next, dito sa Media Player, ay kailangan mo lang i-click to Tuner Config. Okay? So dito ay click mo lang siya one time, and then lalabas tong kanyang settings. And the next step, ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung Prepared Metadata Provider. So, i-click mo lang dito, mag-double click ka lang, and then lalabas itong kanyang edit string. So, makita mo dito yung value name and then yung value data. So, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang burahin itong value data. So, delete lang natin yan, and then click mo lang itong OK, and then close lang tayo dito. Okay, so close tayo. Alright, and then ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, and then click mo lang itong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-resolve ang issue with the Windows Media Player that has the wrong album information leak. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.